Pandas conditional creation of a series/dataframe column. How do I add a color column to the following dataframe so that color equals green if set equals Z, and color equals red otherwise?
If you only have two choices to select from. For example, yields. Which yields?
List comprehension is another way to create another column conditionally. If you are working with object D types in columns, like in your example, list comprehensions typically outperform most other methods. Example list comprehension. %timeit tests.
The following is slower than the approaches timed here, but we can compute the extra column based on the contents of more than one column, and more than two values can be computed for the extra column. Simple example using just the set column. Example with more colors and more columns taken into account. Edit, June 21, 2019, using PlyData. It is also possible to use PlyData to do this kind of things. This seems even slower than using assign and apply, though. Simple if underscore else. Nested if underscore else.
Another way in which this could be achieved is
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.